up, everybody? My name is Elora Jade, aka Elora SLAYED, and welcome to my channel. This is my very first makeup tutorial, so if you guys like what you see, make sure you like, comment below, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be doing a look that I saw Makeupshayla do. Love, love, love her. I'm going to be doing a look she did, and she used the DESIxKATY Friendcation palette. I got this palette probably like 2 years ago, and I haven't really touched it. So I was like, why not do a makeup tutorial, especially while we're here in quarantine. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep watching. So here I'm taking my Too Faced Primed and Poreless primer and putting that all over my face to use as a base for my foundation. And I'll be taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and applying it all over my face using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. And I'm just dabbing the foundation on. I'm not swiping, but I'm dabbing just to make sure that it really gets into the skin and I get an even application. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. And I'm just making sure that I'm really covering my whole face. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to do my brows. So first of all, I'm just outlining, and then I fill them in. I'm not big on those bullhorn looking eyebrows or looking crazy. I just prefer a natural brow, so I just accentuate what I already have and keep the brow as natural as possible. They always say your brows are supposed to be sisters and not twins, but I'm definitely okay if my brows end up being cousins. Who cares? Now I'm taking Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha, and I'm just going to clean up my brows. So I'm taking a flat angled liner brush and going in underneath my brow with that concealer. This just makes the shape of my brow more defined. Now I'm taking some Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch, and I'm putting that on my lid just to serve as a primer for the eyeshadow. And I just press that in with my finger to kind of blend it in better. Alright, so time for the fun stuff. Now I'm just going to take the color Churro, and I'm using an eyeshadow crease brush. I'm just going to take that color Churro and use it as a transition shade. So I'm just sweeping across my crease and building up that color. Now I'm taking the color Cheens and I'm building up the crease, making it more intense. And I'm just taking that same crease brush and sweeping in my crease. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Black, and I'm going to work towards creating a base for my halo look. So I'm just going and putting black in the inner corner and in the outer corner of my eye, but I am leaving the center empty. Next, I'm taking the shade Game Over, and I am just going over the black base that I just put down. So again, just staying on the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. I'm also taking that same color and going in my crease to blend out any harsh lines that may be present. I'm going to take my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot go in the center of my eye to kind of recreate that center in case I lost any of it to the other eyeshadow. So now I'm just taking that color a moment and I'm going in the center of my eye. Oh my god, look how beautiful that blue is. So I'm just taking that and putting it in the center of my eye, and also I'm kind of going out to the outer edges just to make sure it blends in with that darker color. Now I'm taking a flat angled liner brush and I'm just going in on my waterline with that dark color, which was Game Over, and I'm going to be also going in with A Moment, and I'm just putting that along my waterline. My eyes are super sensitive, so I hope I don't start crying. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX Epic Ink Liner in the color Black. It's one of my favorite liquid eyeliners. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to go along the edge of my lid. Now I'm going in with my Hypnose Drama Mascara. That's by Lancome. And I'm just going in on my upper and bottom lashes to make them a little fuller. I will be taking my Ardell Demi Wispies and doing my lashes off camera. I'm going back in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Butterscotch to do some highlighting. So I'm just putting triangles under my eyes, on my forehead, going down the bridge of my nose, just a little bit on my chin. And then I'm just taking my Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques and blending it in. I'm taking my Elsie Cosmetics sponge and I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Cashew, and I'm just pressing that in over top all the areas that I put concealer on my face to set it. I want to bring back some warmth to my face, so I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Mahogany, and I'm just going around the perimeter of my face and defining my cheekbones. Going in with my crease brush, and with that same Mahogany bronzer, I'm just going to define my nose. I'm going to set my face using my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. Next, I'm taking my Huda Beauty highlighting palette in the Bronze Sands edition, and I'm highlighting my cheekbone and my nose with the color Maldives. Last but not least, I'm taking my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Lolita 2, and I'm outlining my lips. To finish off the lip, I'm going to be using my ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the color Pinkies Up. And then I'm going to go with my Dose of Colors lip gloss in the color Tough Cookie. And we're done.
Could we cross that line? I know it's dangerous. Think it's time, yeah. Then we consider.
If you guys are wondering what that song is, that's Cross That Line off my Elora Jada album. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for more makeup tutorials.